It was difficult to maintain criminal record in Tudor times. So to keep record, a letter was burned into hand or wrist of the offender. M stood for manslaughter, T for theft, F for fraymaker, FA for false accuser, V for vagrant or runaway servant. Can you guess what S stood for? Answer a little later in the video.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आज हम एक और हॉरिबल हिस्ट्री के पजल के साथ हाजिर हैं। और हिस्ट्री इतनी हॉरिबल क्यों है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही। और मुझे याद आ रहा है किसी ने कहा था कि जो डार्क एजेस, जो बाहर वेस्ट समझता है डार्क एजेस है, वो हम मुसलमानों के लिए और हम ईस्ट के लिए दोज वर द गोल्डन एजेस, उनके लिए डार्क एजेस थी, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर ऐसे हुक्मरान थे जैसे कि इस पजल में है। इट्स टेरिबल ट्यूडर्स। आजकल जो इंग्लैंड पे हुक्मरान है, दोज आर द विंडसर फैमिली। जो क्वीन एलिजाबेथ वन थी, जो बहुत फेमस थी और सारी उम्र से शादी नहीं की, और एक ब्लडी मैरी का नाम अगर आपने सुना होगा, या ज़्यादा आसान तरीके से समझने के लिए जिस दौर में शेक्सपियर और ये वाले लिटरेचर की बहुत सारी मशहूर शख्सियात आई थी, उस ज़माने में देयर वॉज ट्यूडर डायनेस्टीज। आई थिंक इनके मैक्सिमम 5 रूलर्स थे, लेकिन दे कॉल देम टेरिबल ट्यूडर्स बिकॉज उस ज़माने में गन मैल ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत थी। 1 लाख के करीब सड़कों पे फ़कीर थे, और अगर फ़कीर होंगे जिन्हें खाने को नहीं मिल रहा, इसका मतलब है क्राइम और क्राइम्स भी बहुत होंगे। जो हमारे यहाँ कुंडा डाल के साथ वालों के कपड़े चोरी करने का रिवाज कुछ हाल ही में आया, वो उनके यहाँ 1600 में आ गया था, और ये इसी डायनेस्टी के दौरान ये सब कुछ हुआ था। तो ये मैं बनाती हूँ, साथ साथ मैं आपको बताती जाऊँगी कि जो मुझे इसके बारे में पता लगता है।
Answer S stood for you were a slave. Quiz 2. Who was a hooker in Tudor times? Answer a little later in the video. Answer a hooker was a thief who used a long pole with a hook on the end to lift other people's property. Terrible fact. Due to the dirty conditions, 9 out of 10 people did not even reach their 40th birthday. Young Tudor men were not allowed to have long hair. Can you guess punishment for having long hair? Answer a little later in the video. Answer: young men who had long hair were sent to prison for 10 days and had a basin put over their head, and their hair were chopped off along the edges. Straight cut fringe is still called a pudding basin cut. Public executions were very common. 2 wives of Henry VIII were executed. Many of his advisors were executed. Can you spot his chief executor, Robert Cartwell, in the crowd? What was the punishment if you were caught poisoning another person? Answer: the guilty of poisoning were boiled alive. The bishop's cook poisoned 2 of his guests, so Henry ordered the cook to be boiled alive in his own pot. Hot stuff, Hannah. Street entertainers were disgusting. One man pretended to stab himself in the stomach. In fact, he had a bag of pig's blood under his shirt and a wooden shield under that. When he was stabbed, the pig's blood spurted out, and the audience gasped with wonder or threw up in horror. One drunken entertainer forgot the shield one day, stabbed himself in the stomach, and died. The audience loved it, whatever. Elizabethan theatre involved murders, executions, sacrifices, heads and hands cut off on stage. William Shakespeare was a clever man. He gave the crowd exactly what they wanted. Picture 1, character having his eyes ripped out on stage. Picture 2, a king beheaded in a sword fight. And picture 3, a real bear chasing a character off the stage. And not in the pictures, a mother was served a pie made out of his 2 sons. Sorry. Hope you sleep well. Like, share, subscribe, or curse. Totally up to you. I'm fine with it.